Hello and welcome to Affinity. Here's an approach to creating a kind of artifact, a little bit cartoony, a little bit sort of painterly, and a number of different outcomes that you can get. And it's quite simple. So first of all, we just take this background here and hit Ctrl J to duplicate it. And the top one, let's put on, say, we'll start off with hard light, but we're going to change that. The bottom one, go to filters, detect, and detect edges. And there we've got an immediate effect that we've got this kind of dark graininess and so on. And we can also go to this one here and we can change these. You can see there's the outline effect appearing there. Pin light is often quite good on this. We can also take the bottom layer, Control I, invert it, and you can see here there's a kind of outline to this. You get this sort of cartoon effect in part of the picture in the lighter parts, but the other side it looks fairly normal. Another thing you can do that has a significant effect is you go to adjustments and levels. We'll just attach the levels to this bottom layer, and then we drag this up here, and as it goes up, this effect is accentuating now. You can see now more the art and the outlining, so the cartooning effect that's happening to this. And the more you push it up, the more this effect is. You just find a place that this works best, because you see the way that the histogram's been pushed right up there. So we can literally drag the black right into that. We can also go back up to the original level here and try those blend modes again. So that's the pin light, that's linear light, that's vivid light, this hard light. If you go up to overlay and soft light, you're going to get an inverted effect. But hard light is a kind of inversion of overlay anyway. So you can literally pick the version that you like best of that. That's it. Quite an easy one. Very interesting outputs. Thank you very much for watching.